Tay. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our pregnancy series. Today, we're diving into a topic that gets a lot of questions: exercise. Staying active during pregnancy is one of the best things you can do for both you and your baby. It can help reduce backaches, boost your mood and energy, improve your sleep, and even prepare your body for labor. But of course, safety is the #1 priority. So, in this video, we're going to break down safe and effective exercises for every single trimester. Before we jump in, a super important reminder: always talk to your doctor or midwife before starting any new exercise routine. Every pregnancy is unique, and they can give you the best advice based on your personal health history. Once you've got the green light, let's get moving. Let's start with the first trimester. For many, this stage is all about managing fatigue and maybe some morning sickness. The key here is to listen to your body. You don't need to push yourself to the limit. Great impact options for this stage are walking, swimming, and prenatal yoga. Talking is fantastic because it's free, easy to do anywhere, and gets your heart rate up gently. Try for 30 minutes a day if you feel up to it. Swimming is another amazing choice. The water supports your weight, which feels incredible, and it's a full-body workout that's easy on your joints. Prenatal yoga is a superstar during the first trimester. It not only helps with flexibility and strength, but also teaches you breathing techniques that will be invaluable during labor. Look for classes specifically designed for pregnant women, as they'll avoid deep twists and poses that put pressure on your belly. A simple cat-cow stretch is wonderful for your spine. Start on your hands and knees, and as you inhale, drop your belly and look up. As you exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. It feels so good. Now, let's talk about what to be mindful of. This is the time to start avoiding high-impact activities or sports with a high risk of falling, like horseback riding or downhill skiing, and stay hydrated. Keep that water bottle handy at all times. Moving into the second trimester, many people call this the honeymoon phase of pregnancy because the morning sickness often subsides and your energy levels might come roaring back. This is a great time to really enjoy moving your body. Your baby bump is starting to show, so we'll need to make a few modifications. You can continue with walking, swimming, and prenatal yoga. In fact, now's a perfect time to really lean into them. Another excellent addition is stationary cycling. Strength training is also highly beneficial. Using light weights or resistance bands can help you build the strength you'll need for carrying your baby and all their gear. Focus on exercises that support your posture, like rows and shoulder presses. Squats are a powerhouse move for strengthening your legs and pelvic floor. Just make sure to keep your form correct. Back straight, chest up, and don't go deeper than what feels comfortable. As your belly grows, you'll want to avoid exercises that have you lying flat on your back for long periods. This can put pressure on a major vein called the vena cava and reduce blood flow to your baby and your brain. If you're doing something like a chest press, prop yourself up with pillows so your head is higher than your heart. Also, avoid any crunch-like movements that target the front of your abs. We want to prevent a condition called diastasis recti, where the abdominal muscles separate. Instead, focus on deep core exercises, like pelvic tilts. Alright, on to the third trimester. At this point, you're in the home stretch. Your belly is much bigger, and you might be feeling more tired and uncomfortable. The focus now shifts from intense fitness to preparation and maintenance. Comfort is key. Walking and swimming are still your best friends. The weightlessness you feel in the pool will be a huge relief for your joints and back. If walking feels like too much, even short, frequent strolls can make a big difference. Stretching is more important than ever. Focus on your hips, lower back, and chest. A great stretch is the butterfly pose. Sit on the floor, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees fall out to the sides. This helps to open up your hips. Child's pose is another wonderful resting position that gently stretches your lower back. Pelvic floor exercises, or kegels, are crucial in this final stage. A strong pelvic floor supports your bladder, uterus, and bowels, and it plays a huge role in both labor and postpartum recovery. If you're not sure how to do them, imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. Squeeze and hold for a few seconds, then release. You can do these anywhere, anytime. Things to avoid now are pretty much anything that makes you feel off balance or puts any strain on your abdomen. Listen closely to your body's signals. If something hurts or feels wrong, stop immediately. Your center of gravity is completely different now, so be extra cautious. Let's quickly recap the golden rules of pregnancy exercise for all trimesters. First, always warm up before and cool down after. Second, stay hydrated. Drink water before, during, and after your workout. Third, wear comfortable, breathable clothing and a supportive bra. Sports. Avoid overheating. Don't exercise in super hot or humid conditions. And finally, the most important rule: listen to your body. Rest when you need to rest. Some days you'll feel energetic, and other days you'll need to take it easy. Both are perfectly okay. Exercising during pregnancy isn't about setting new personal records. It's about maintaining your health, feeling good, and preparing for the amazing journey ahead, too. Every little bit of movement counts. I hope this guide to safe exercises for each trimester was helpful for all you amazing parents to be. What are some of your favorite ways to stay active during pregnancy? Share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Your experience could be super helpful for another mama in our community. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. You won't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss the next video in our series. See you next time.